Welcome to my channel. My name is Little Boy and today we're gonna talk My name is Little Boy and today we will see which SD card reader is faster, if it's the Apple or the Sandisk. If you're new to the channel, consider subscribe if cinematography, editing and Final Cut Pro is something that you're into. I put these two SD card readers side by side and we will see right now which one gonna transfer 11 gigs of footage. Let's do it. So as you can see, the Sandisk did a pretty good job being ahead of the Apple by 7 seconds. Let me know in the comment down below which one is your favorite, what is the SD card reader that you would go for. Thank you very much for watching this video. Leave your comment and like down below. Subscribe and hit the notification bell so you know every single time that I post a new video. And if you like to keep learning and bring your editing skills to the next level, watch this next video right here. You're not gonna regret, I promise you. Follow me on social media and I'll see you in the next video.